Hello everybody. Today we are going to start with von Neumann architecture. What is a von Neumann architecture? The von Neumann architecture, also known as the IPO cycle or the input process output cycle, states that we take the input by the computer to the central processing unit, which shuffles between the memory, and system buses and to the output. The von Neumann architecture, as it says, is shown in figure 1.5. It consists of central processing unit for processing arithmetic and logical instructions, by the ALU, a memory to store data and programs, input and output devices, and communication channels to send or receive the outputted data. The electronic numeral integrator and computer ENIAC is the first binary programmable computer based on von Neumann architecture. During 1970s, the LSI or large-scale integration of electronic chips allowed the integration of complete CPU on a single chip called the microprocessor. The microprocessor and CPU are different things which we will be studying later. The Moore's law predicted the exponential growth in the number of transistors that could be assembled in a single microchip. In 1980s, the processing power of the computers increased exponentially just by following the Moore's law by integrating around 3 million components on a small sized chip termed as very large scale integration VLSI. Further advancement in technology has made it feasible to fabricate high density of transistors and other components, approx 106 components, on a single IC, the integrated chip, called the Super Large Scale Integration or SLSI, as shown in figure 1.6. The IBM introduced its first personal computer PC for the home user in 1981, and Apple introduced Macintosh. Here you can see machines in 1984. The popularity of PC surged by the introduction of graphical user interface, or we say GUI, based on operating systems by Microsoft, Linux, and others, in place of the computers which only command line interface. Like Unix or DOS around in 1990s, the growth of World Wide Web further accelerated mass usage of computers, and therefore the computers have been an indispensable part of everyday life. Further, with the introduction of laptops, personal computing was made portable to a great extent. It made compressible each and every computer. This was followed by smartphones, tablets, and other personal digital assistants. These devices have leveraged the technological advancements in processor miniaturization, faster memory, high speed data, and connectivity mechanisms. The next wave of computing devices includes the wearable gadgets such as smartwatch, lenses, headbands, headphones, further smart applications, and becoming a part of Internet of Things (IoT) by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you.